I'm about an hour east, just outside of Del Zura on Marone Valley Road, and you can see that I've hit a roadblock. There's this yellow gate, a no trespassing sign. I wanted to show you what that razor wire looks like that reportedly the U.S. Marines have constructed at the U.S.-Mexico border that's on city property. I'm told it's past this gate, down the road and over the mountain that the city attorney says the federal government broke the law. From Chopper 8, you can see miles of razor wire fence, bales, and tracks across city-owned land near the U.S.-Mexico border.
City staff went down there and actually encountered the U.S. Marines out there building the fence.
City Attorney Heather Ferbert says that the feds violated the law by trespassing without notice or permission on land the city has owned for over a century.
We had no notice that this was happening. They didn't, and that's part of what this lawsuit is about, is that there's a process.
The city filed suit against Homeland Security, the DOD, and other federal agencies. The land is protected under a 1997 conservation agreement with the state.
It's the home of a very endangered fairy shrimp, which only, it rains and the vernal pool springs to life and it has all this life in it, and these fairy shrimp come to life. They lay their eggs.
The city says the feds disturbed endangered species habitat, including vernal pools and protected birds with vehicle tracks, trash, and equipment that now blocks city access. She describes the damage to city staff.
Like there was like a plant and it's like split in half and the plant's just like this, right? Because something has gone through, either a person's gone through there or like a car's gone through it. I think there is some environmental damage.
The lawsuit has not stopped construction. I passed U.S. Marines loading in all-terrain vehicles going back and forth through the gate. The city says this is not about border security policy. It's about whether the federal government can build on city property without permission. The city wants immediate halt to construction, barrier removal, and property access restored. DHS emailed a statement. It says, under the Trump administration, we have the most secure border in American history. DHS will use every tool to defend the American people, and we look forward to challenging this lawsuit.
Just because they're the federal government doesn't mean that they can ignore constitutional rights.
In Del Zura, Abby Black, CBS 8.